Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. Today, we're taking you inside modern homes where design meets nature in the most beautiful way. These spaces aren't just built, they're crafted for pure peace, where every window frames a view and every room invites calm. Imagine waking up to soft light, green surroundings, and a home that feels like a quiet escape. Step into a world where architecture embraces the outdoors. These modern homes aren't just stylish, they're a breath of fresh air. Natural wood, open spaces, and serene garden views make every inch feel like a retreat. This is where your soul rests and your mind resets. Truly peaceful, truly modern. Think minimal, think natural, think relaxing. These homes are the perfect mix of smart design and earthy comfort. With warm tones, flowing layouts, and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, they offer a daily escape from the noise. It's not just about where you live, it's how you feel when you're home. Imagine a home where every detail whispers peace. From wide glass doors to forest-facing patios, these homes connect you to nature without leaving modern comfort behind. It's luxury that feels light, simplicity that feels soothing, a dream space for anyone craving balance. These aren't just homes, they're sanctuaries. Designed with natural textures and open skies in mind, every corner of these spaces brings you closer to stillness. Whether you're meditating in a sunroom or sipping tea by a garden window, calm surrounds you. This is what modern peace looks like. Let's go beyond walls and roofs. These homes are built with the soul in mind. Spacious living areas melt into green courtyards. Light dances across stone and wood. You're not just seeing a house, you're feeling harmony. This is the future of peaceful living. Modern homes don't have to feel cold. These designs prove that beauty and warmth can live together. With natural light, gentle materials, and views that make you pause, each space is a quiet moment. Step inside, take a breath, and let your home do the healing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.